the faces of a community, the faces of caring, the faces of commitment to better health.
We have amazing staff. We also have wonderful patients who are responsive and certainly inspiring.
It's a very special place. It's a place that's needed by the community.
It's a place you can go.
We are the largest employer in the community. People recognize us.
She saved my life.
This is Mattapan Community Health Center.
Mattapan Community Health Center's mission is to improve the quality of life for residents of Mattapan and surrounding communities. And we do that by providing the best possible care that is comprehensive. It's also affordable, accessible, and culturally appropriate. We serve over 7,000 patients annually through about 30,000 visits.
The health center provides both primary and preventative care services.
Primary care is the centerpiece of all of our services. We have pediatrics, we also have internal medicine as well as OBGYN and dental services.
But some of these crucial services are threatened.
Prevention is the key to wellness. We have invested in prevention. We have HIV/AIDS testing and counseling that is funded through the Department of Public Health, one of the few grants that we have left from that source. And we also have a diabetes We Care program, which is a wonderful program funded for 5 years by the Smith Family Foundation. And that program is about to sunset, but we are trying every way that we can to assure that that program continues.
Another challenge the health center faces is its current building.
Sometimes we are very busy, and what you can see, it's a very small place in a very busy day. The wait time could be very long because we have limited examination rooms.
They were working in a situation that was, I would say, space adverse, meaning that, as our population grew, patient population, they had to, work within the limited confines of the space here.
Despite space limitations, outstanding health care is happening here. Health care that changes lives, like the Fantastic Kids program.
I teach kids about nutrition. We like to promote healthy eating habits so they can live longer, healthier lives.
I love it. It's like the 5-2-1 plan, eat 5 fruits and vegetables, then 2 hours of screen time on last, and an hour of physical activity.
And Mattapan Community Health Center is saving lives.
Well, I was having trouble swallowing, and I didn't know what it was.
He was coming to see Tamara Johnson. And I said, well, why don't you tell her when you go so she could kind of jump on it.
And then I went through a whole lot of tests, and they found out that I had cancer of the esophagus. All the radiation, the chemo, which almost killed me. And then I had to have the operation.
The reason he's here today has a lot to do with Tamara Johnson being on top of what's happening with him and referring him right to the right clinic and back, and that's why he is here today.
To continue its mission and serve the people of Mattapan and Hyde Park, the health center has 4 major ongoing initiatives, including leading the effort to end a global health issue.
Vitamin D initiative, and that initiative started back in 2006. And we have been all over the country spreading the word about the need for attention in terms of education and research on vitamin D deficiency, because it is a worldwide public health epidemic. Healthcare Revival is an initiative that we started in 1997 because we had double-digit infant mortality rates. And we were trying to figure out a way to involve the community in its overall health. The third initiative that we're so proud of is Rock the Boat fundraising gala that started in 1997. And the goal is to raise money to support many of our programs and all of our work, but particularly our prevention programs. And of course, our capital project, that is a new building that is going into Mattapan Square,
This will allow us to provide timely services.
where we'll be doubling both the dental operatories as well as our exam rooms.
The wait time will be shorter, and also we can increase our patients number also. I'm very happy about that, excited about that.
A new building, the latest technology. They're important, but something else makes Mattapan Community Health Center very special.
The people. The people.
It's special because it really does care about the patients, the people in the community.
What I love about working here is that the patient know we care about them.
I think it's very important to have in our communities.
So if this place was not here, it would be devastating to a lot of families, I think.
See, it's very special to me because the first place he took care of me. I love the place. Like I said, it's like coming home.